Good day and welcome to the PSG Wealth Local Solutions webinar for the month of May 2024. We will start off by looking at how markets have performed over the month. South African equities saw their third straight month of gains in May, with the FTSE JSE Capstocks Index rising 0.9% month over month, despite a 2.4% dip in the final days of the month following post-election uncertainty. The Aussie was up 96 basis points. SA government bonds, on the other hand, were poised for a strong month, mirroring the upward trend in global bonds. However, a post-election decline did cause the 10-year borrowing rate to increase slightly, ending the month unchanged at 12.2% per annum. As a result, the LB was up 75 basis points. Now let's take a look at our local solutions and how they performed in light of this. This quartile ranking table just looks at our solutions compared to peers, with the black squares representing the minimum investment periods. Here what we see is that the PSG Wealth Enhanced Interest as well as the PSG Wealth Creative Fund of Funds continue to be in the first quartile for their minimum investment periods, whilst the PSG Wealth Preserver as well as Moderate Fund of Funds are currently placed in the second quartile. Looking at the PSG Wealth Income Fund of Funds, it is currently placed in the third quartile. We also see that all our local funds have achieved first or second quartile ranking for their since inception rank. Moving on to the next slide, we have our top and bottom performers for each fund. Among the top performers, we have names like Prescient Yield Quant Plus for the Enhanced Interest Fund of Funds. Coronation Strategic Income came out as a top performer for the Income Fund of Funds. PSG Stable came out as a top performer for the PSG Wealth Preserver. Then we have Net Group Invest Balance as well as MNG Equity for the Moderates as well as Creator Fund of Funds. Looking at the bottom performers, we have the PSG Enhanced Interest, which featured for the PSG Wealth Enhanced Interest Fund. And then we have 91 Diversified Income as a bottom performer for the PSG Wealth Income Fund of Funds. MNG Inflation Plus Fund as a bottom performer for the PSG Wealth Preserver Fund of Funds. Net Group Invest Core Diversified Fund as a bottom performer for the PSG Wealth Moderate Fund of Funds. And then lastly, the 91 Equity Fund as a bottom performer for the PSG Wealth Creator Fund of Funds. Then below we have our quantitative radar screen. What we see there is funds that have consistently underperformed for 1, 3, 6, and 12-month periods. And for this month, we have MNG Inflation Plus, which was added onto the radar, and this is for the PSG Wealth Preserver Fund of Funds. Thank you very much for tuning in today. That is it for today. Have a lovely rest of your day.